everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Danske Mobile Banking account. For that, first of all, launch Danske Mobile Banking application on your device. Once the application is opened, you will see this interface. Tap on Login button right over there. Now, your login page will be opened. Here you have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, you have to enter your user ID. But if you do not remember your user ID, then simply tap on Lost User ID option right over there. Then enter your user ID. Once you are done with your user ID, if you want this device to remember your user ID, then simply tap on this button. Then tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, you will be asked to enter your password and then you will be successfully logged into your Danske Mobile Banking account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.